Tired of tired? Ever feel like you're running on fumes, like your energy is stuck on low? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to get the nutrients and energy we need from our food. But what if I told you there's a simple, delicious way to unlock your food's full potential? Two ways, actually. Get ready to say goodbye to fatigue and hello to vitality with the power of blending and brewing. Unlock your food's potential with the power of blending. Think of blending as giving your food a superpower boost. When you blend fruits, vegetables and other healthy ingredients, you're breaking them down into smaller, more easily digestible pieces. This means your body can absorb more nutrients, giving you a powerful dose of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Imagine getting more goodness from every bite. Think of it this way. Eating a whole apple is great, but blending it into a smoothie with spinach, kale and a squeeze of lemon? That's a nutrient powerhouse your body will thank you for. Brewing your way to vitality in a cup filled with energy. Brewing isn't just for coffee and tea, it's a fantastic way to extract beneficial compounds from herbs, spices and even fruits. Think ginger tea for digestion, chamomile tea for relaxation, or a refreshing hibiscus cooler for a vitamin C boost. Brewing allows you to create delicious, energy-boosting beverages that are packed with flavor and good for you. Let's bust some nutrition myths. Don't fall for these traps. In today's world, misinformation about nutrition is everywhere, and it can be hard to know what to believe. Let's face it, the world of nutrition can be confusing. With so many labels, claims and trends, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. One minute something is good for you, the next minute it's not. Fads come and go, and what was once considered healthy can suddenly be deemed harmful. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. The constant changes and conflicting advice can leave you feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to eat. One common myth is that all calories are created equal. Not true. The source of your calories matters just as much as the number. 100 calories of soda and 100 calories of almonds will have vastly different effects on your body. While soda provides empty calories with no nutritional value, almonds offer protein, fiber and healthy fats. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. These foods are naturally nutrient-rich and will give you sustained energy, unlike processed foods that tend to lead to sugar crashes. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins and whole grains into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not just about counting calories, but about making informed choices that nourish your body. Educate yourself, seek advice from credible sources, and don't fall for the latest diet fads. Your health is worth the effort. Here are some tips to supercharge your smoothie for maximum nutrient absorption. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrients into one delicious drink. But are you getting the most out of every sip? Ready to take your blending game to the next level? I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead. Show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Here are a few tips to maximize nutrient absorption. First, consider the base of your smoothie. Using a liquid like almond milk, coconut water, or even green tea can add extra nutrients and antioxidants. Add healthy fats. A dollop of nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter, a sprinkle of chia seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, or a quarter of an avocado will not only make your smoothie creamier, but also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Don't forget the fiber. Fiber is essential for gut health and helps slow down sugar absorption. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Add a handful of leafy greens such as spinach or kale, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A tablespoon of flaxseed meal, which is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, or some berries to your blends. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also high in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Spice things up. Spices like cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric can add a burst of flavor and have numerous health benefits. And turmeric not only add flavor but also have anti-inflammatory properties. These spices can help reduce inflammation in the body, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. So next time you make a smoothie, remember these tips to ensure you're getting the maximum nutritional benefits from every sip. Happy blending. Here is how to get the most out of your beverages. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a tea enthusiast, there's always something new to learn about making the perfect cup. Brewing is an art, but don't worry, it's easy to master. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can elevate your daily beverage routine to a whole new level. Here are a few tips to brew like a pro. First, always start with fresh, high-quality ingredients. This is the foundation of any great beverage. Use quality ingredients. Just like with cooking, using fresh, high-quality ingredients will result in a more flavorful and nutritious beverage. Fresh tea leaves, aromatic coffee beans, and pure water can make a world of difference. Don't oversteep. Oversteeping can lead to a bitter taste, especially with teas. Timing is crucial. Too long and you risk astringency. Too short and you miss out on the full flavor profile. Follow the recommended steeping times on your tea bag or for loose leaf teas. You can experiment to find what you enjoy best. Each type of tea has its own optimal steeping time and temperature. Get creative with combinations. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations. Mixing various teas and adding unique ingredients can create a personalized beverage experience. Try adding a slice of lemon to your green tea. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also adds a boost of vitamin C. A cinnamon stick to your chamomile tea, which can add a warming, spicy note that's perfect for a cozy evening. Or some fresh mint to your hibiscus cooler. Mint adds a refreshing twist and can help with digestion. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to get creative and make your beverages truly your own. Blending and brewing are fantastic ways to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices into your diet. These plant-based powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all essential for optimal health. Remember the apple we talked about earlier? Imagine the possibilities when you start experimenting with different fruits, vegetables, and even leafy greens in your blends and brews. One of the most important things when it comes to nutrition is learning to listen to your body. It's incredibly intuitive and will tell you what it needs if you pay attention. Are you craving a green smoothie after a workout? Your body might be low on electrolytes and craving the potassium found in leafy greens. Feeling sluggish in the afternoon? Perhaps you need a pick-me-up from a cup of green tea. Pay attention to how different foods and beverages make you feel, both physically and mentally. The beauty of blending and brewing is that the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations, textures, and ingredients. Try adding a handful of spinach to your next fruit smoothie, brewing a pot of ginger tea after a meal, or creating your own signature herbal iced tea blend. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it should be enjoyable. So have fun, get creative in the kitchen, and discover new favorites. Unlock your food's full potential and experience the transformative power of blending and brewing. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 smoothies or herbal teas into your diet each week. As you become more comfortable, experiment with different ingredients and flavor combinations. Listen to your body, pay attention to how different foods make you feel, and most importantly, enjoy the journey and blend and brew your way to a healthier, happier you. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.